Hi guys, in this project I'm going to show you how to crochet a snowfall. It's very easy to follow. And to begin in this project, make a chain of 53, 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So go ahead, make a chain of 53 and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. So I have here a chain of 53 and now we're going to make one single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So let's count that. 1, 1 and 2. Insert your hook right there. Yarn over. You have 2 loops in the hook. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. And that is our first single crochet. So go ahead, make one single crochet per stitches all the way down. And I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. So I have here a total of 52 single crochet for round 2. And now to begin round 3, I'm just going to make a chain of 1. Turn your work around. Make one single crochet in the first stitch you find, which is here. Insert your hook, yarn over, 2 loops in the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And I'm going to make one single crochet per stitches all the way down, a total of 52 single crochet, just like in round 2. The only difference is I chain 1 to begin round 3. So repeat round 2 for round 3 and 4. And I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. In each of this round is 52 single crochet. And this is how it looked like for our round 1 to 4. And now round 5 we're going to chain 1. Turn your work around. Make 5 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1 single crochet in the first stitch you find first. And make 4 more single crochet in the next 4 stitches, total of 5 single crochet. 3, 4, and 5. And now in the next stitch we are going to have the new color. Grab your new color. And I'm just going to put this navy color away. Like that. And I'm going to insert my hook in the next stitch, which is here, this one. Insert your hook right there. Yarn over with a new color. Yarn over, pull. And I'm going to grab the navy color again. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. We have our first snowfall, this one. And I'm just going to pull this one right here, the back. Pull that so it's not so loose at the front. As you can see, so easy. And now we're going to continue with the navy color and we're going to make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now I'm going to put the navy color away and grab the new one again, the new color. I'm going to repeat what we did right here. Make the snowfall. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over with the new color or the white one and grab the navy color again. Yarn over and pull through in that 2 loops right there and pull this one right here. And continue making 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches with the navy color. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 2, 3, and 4. And now in the next stitch after 4 single crochet, I'm going to grab the next color and insert your hook in the next stitch. Yarn over with the white one and grab the navy color, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and don't forget to always pull this a bit so it's not so loose at the front. And now I'm going to continue with 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So as you can see, we're just repeating what we did right here. In the beginning, we have here 5 single crochet in the next 5 stitches, and after that, in the 6th stitch, we have the snowfall, and then we have here our sequence. After that, 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches and snowfall, 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches and snowfall, 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches and snowfall. So go ahead, do that all the way down, and I'm gonna meet you once I am done making it. So I have here in the end, and now I'm just going to make the snowfall because we have here in the previous 4 single crochet. Insert your hook right there in the last stitch, yarn over with a milky color, and grab your navy color and yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And that's how I end my round 5. So we have here a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 snowfall in total for round 5. And now we're just going to cut the yarn milky color. So now chain 1 to begin round 6. Turn your work around. We're going to secure the stitch right here by making a few knots. You can insert your hook anywhere to secure the stitch. And after that, I'm not just gonna cut that yarn. I'm just going to chain 1 first to begin round 6. Turn your work around. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch you find, which is here. And make 1 single crochet per stitches all the way down, total of 52 single crochet. 3, 4, 5. So go ahead, do that, and I'm gonna meet you once I'm done. Total of 52 single crochet. And here I have a total of 52 single crochet for round 6. And now round 7, chain 1. Make 1 single crochet in the first stitch you find. 2 more single crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1 and 2. So we have a total of 3 single crochet for round 7 for our beginning. 1, 2, 3. And now in the 4th stitch, I'm going to grab the new color and I'm going to make the snowfall again. Insert your hook in the next stitch, put this away, and yarn over with the new color. And I'm going to grab my navy color again, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Just like what we did, it's just the number of single crochet is different. And now I'm going to make 5 single crochet in the next 5 stitches using the navy color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to grab the white one and I'm going to insert my hook right there and yarn over with this milky color, and I'm going to grab the navy, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So I'm just trying to put this in the middle of this, as you can see. Put it here and then here in between also of this one. And now I'm going to make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then I'm going to make the snowfall. Insert your hook, yarn over with that one, grab the navy color, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, so you don't have to exactly follow my numbering here. You can just try to put this snowfall in the middle so you are not confused with the numbering, but of course you're free to follow this pattern to make it easier for you. You can choose what easier for you. So now I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches with a navy color. 2, 3, and 4. And then the snowfall. And now make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4 in total. And the snowfall. 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the snowfall, yarn over, drop the white one. So I'm gonna repeat this pattern here, like here. 4 single crochet, snowfall, 4 single crochet, snowfall, 4 single crochet, snowfall, 4 single crochet, snowfall. And I'm gonna do that until we will have 2 stitches left, and I show you once I'm done. For round 7, I'm just going to make 1 single crochet in each of this. So insert my hook right there and make sure you hide this one right here. 1 and 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And this time I'm going to cut the yarn, the white one. I secure the stitch. You can secure the stitch however you want it. For me, this is just my preference. I'm just going to insert my hooks anywhere. Put it in a half, and I'm just going to insert my hook anywhere here. This is our back. And I'm going to grab the other piece of this color and make a few knots. So in round 8, I'm just going to repeat round 6, which is chain 1 and 1 single crochet per stitches all the way down, a total of 52 single crochet. So go ahead, do that for our round 8. You once I am done. So round 9, we're going to make a chain of 1, turn your work around, and I'm going to make 6 single crochet in the next 6 stitches. 1, and 6. And now I'm going to make the snowfall, which I'm going to put here in the middle. Insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over with this new color, pull through, and grab the navy color, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops, and pull this one at the back. So I'm just picking a random stitch here where I put my snowfall, but I make sure I put it in between of this. So I'm gonna put it here, I think. It's up to you where you wanna put it. So right now I'm going to make 5 single crochet in the next 5 stitches. 5. I think it's perfect. I put the snowfall and 6 stitch after the 5 single crochet of the navy. See, I just put it in between. And now I'm going to make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. And 4. And I'm going to do the snowfall because it is now in between of this. Yarn over with that. Grab, continue with the navy and pull. And this is how it look like. So now I'm just going to repeat this pattern right here, 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches and snowfall after it. And I'm going to repeat that all the way down, and I'm gonna meet you once I am in the end. And now I'm going to make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4 single crochet in total. And this is our snowfall look like.